Hello everyone and welcome back to the shop. I'm in the middle of a project that I'm making a video of soon. There's a sneak peek. But so in the meantime, thought I'd do a small project and make this shirt. It is my favorite design of the shirts that I sell. You can buy it right here on Amazon. But I wanted to make one. Unfortunately, I couldn't talk during this while I was making it because it was in a makerspace, not at my shop. So I didn't want to disturb everyone else working there. But I made a little some time lapse and some other little bits. So I didn't actually get video of me doing the design itself because I made that about 6 months ago. But so the airplane is a P-51 Mustang, which is one of my favorite airplanes. And this is a Sharpie drawing that I did. And then I scanned it, took it onto the computer, did a little bit of cleanup on it, turned it into a vector, added the text. And then after that I took it into a makerspace, cut it out on the vinyl cutter, weeded it, and then put it onto this shirt. And here's the video. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you'd like to buy this shirt because you like airplanes as much as I do, it's right here. If you know someone else who's really obsessed with airplanes, and this shirt would work perfectly for them. I'm working on another project right now. There's another sneak peek. That video should be coming up pretty soon, I think. Not sure how long it'll take me. But so subscribe, stay tuned. Got more project videos coming. Each one will be hopefully cooler than the next. See you next time.